Pasir Panjang is steeped in its colonial history, and therefore it is natural that we take inspiration from its history when we are designing the Verandah Residences.
Drawing inspiration from the colonial black and white bungalows and the lush greenery around Pasir Panjang, our design will be the essence of tranquil tropical living.
By deconstructing the black and white bungalow, we have created a home that looks and feels traditional yet modern, with its lush finishes and finely crafted landscapes. The key idea behind the Verandah Residences is the veranda living concept. This veranda living concept features extensive balconies in every unit.
Full-height French windows in the bedrooms, as well as courtyard spaces at the ground floor. This allows for the outdoor to come into the indoor spaces.
And this is the character of the Verandah Residences.
I'm looking at the future. I'm not only investing in a property, but an exclusive home in a familiar enclave with memories I hold dearly. A home where I can chase dreams, cast aspirations, and build endless possibilities.